we need you to tell us what you've been up to. What? Yes, I should say so.
I don't need to ask me to take this off.
Right, so look at this wonderful garden that's been developed. Wow, we have rockery, beds galore with my grandsons. Hello, say hello. So what you been up to, boys?
Digging beds.
For how many days have you been doing this? 3 days, and they've made a whole new garden. Look at this rockery, look at the patio. All done. Woohoo! I'll go around here. New beds. New beds. And I've covered up these. Putting all the brassicas, well, as many as I can at the moment. They're not all in. Put in some beer traps and bottles. I'm going to try and stop the slugs as much as we can, but there you go. So this is all done. And this is all done. Look at these beautiful flowers today. Wonderful. Oh, look at them. I'll take some photos of those. All done. Look at the beds over there. All the beds are finished. Wonderful. Beds done. Wow. What you can do in 3 days and 2 grandsons. This is what you can do. And obviously my wonderful partner. Wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. This bed has got hoops on ready for the... I've got to order some more mesh. I've got to order a wider mesh because this one's not quite wide enough for these beds. These are wider. So they need... The length is alright, but the width is not right. So we're going to have to order some new mesh. I think we're going to have to move that tayberry in the autumn. Have to move that because it's right at the edge. And it will get huge. So it needs to go in the middle. So we're going to move this plant. But we'll wait till the autumn when it's gone back to sleep. And the raspberries, we might move the end one in. The end raspberry needs to be moved over to the other side. Because them raspberry canes, they can get really big. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that. Progress of the garden. So this whole garden area is done now. Just a bit of sprucing up to do, a bit of tidying. But it's all done. And we got some little newts, haven't we, Harry, in our pond? So we put some in our pond, which is a bowl, obviously. Not really a pond, is it, Harry?
There's one there, look.
Oh, where? Where?
Just chilling in the rock. I might not be able to see it.
No, I can't see a thing.
Look.
Yeah, you need to catch the light in a certain way.
Just there, look. Just in
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
They-
there's a
they
newt
can't
on
see.
the rock. I might be able to. There. Where are his fingers pointing? Wow. Oh, we've got bee. Bee alert. Bee on the flowers. Anyway, that's brilliant, isn't it, boys? Wow. Amazing. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I'll see you again soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.